Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video, and with the help of the data points, let's discuss what we are expecting next and what happened the last day, or that is yesterday on Friday. So talking about what happened the last day, I clearly mentioned everything, all my analysis, most of my analysis. So starting like the last day, when last to last day, Thursday, okay, at the end I posted that on 1 day chart on Bank Nifty we are having a bearish divergence. So you can go and check. It was posted on Thursday at the end of the day. So I think I hope it helped you all a lot. And anyways, coming down to the main thing, that is Friday in the morning, the scores were positive. Okay, so Nifty, yeah, money flow was positive. I posted. So if you first come, let's come to Nifty. So Nifty in the morning it went up, and we also captured that move. So 24,000 CE, bought at 142, and that price went to 156, and I could have bought it earlier as well, but I was waiting for the volatility to end. But yes, now no regret. So 142, that price went to 156, and finally I closed it at 151. And also like 24,000 P was also shorted in the morning, one not 6, and then again shorted at 111. And again there was this dip, so closed there, and there was this little dip, and even after that Nifty went up by 40 points, so 30 to 40 points. So that also, like, during that time I posted that scores were positive here. So yeah, that sorry, not this one, yeah, this one. Okay, so this one I posted it here, that is the scores were positive. If you look at the time of this tweet, that is 10:27 am, and even after that, like, we got a nice at least a 30 points move. So now coming down to here, that is this one. So here we bought it here, that is again bought again at 140, and then it gave a little further dip, so finally bought it at 123. So the average was at 132, and it went up, and finally I closed it at 145. Okay, so here getting 13 points premium in option buying. The morning one gave 9 points in option buying, so 22 points in option buying so far. And in Nifty, the another one was right at the bottom. We got the reversal at around here, that is 1304. So just at around here we bought calls, because we knew that like in the morning the big guys were present. Okay, in the morning the big guys were present, though they made short positions later on, which I also like mentioned it here. As you can see, I posted the money flow scores during the midday, that is 11:28. So 11:29 I posted. So you don't see negative in the score, but you see that gradually the scores are coming down. Like, look at the scores in the morning that I posted. So those who don't have, especially members, have the score, I mean the scores throughout, and they get the live feed. So the thing is that yes, look at the scores. So in the morning it was positive here, then the score started coming down, and by 11:30, as you can see, the score was coming down. So that's, and later on it went negative. But talking about Bank Nifty, if you come down here, that is the score went negative, like it started going negative at 11:13, 11:14. Okay, and then by 11:28 it went heavily negative. So look at here, that is I posted that as well. So you can go and check the time of the post here, 11:28, sorry, 11:30 I posted. So as you can see, the score was negative. Okay, and even after that Bank Nifty went negative. So those who followed money flow, yes, I hope it all helped you all. And talking about my trade, so I'll share. So the thing is that yes, it went down, and let's complete the Nifty first. So Nifty, it went down, and then since we knew that, like, during this down move, what was happening is that the big guys were buying. So it was the FIIs who were buying. That is evident from the EOD data. I'll show you. So during this down move, the big guys, the FIs were buying, and then they took it sharply up. Okay, so right at the bottom here, as you can see, 1304. So here 24,200 C bought at 95, and again I closed it early at 110, but no regret. So again P was also shorted. So as you can go and check. So I'm not even like going through the writing side as well. Okay, so just in Nifty, if you like here 15 points. So 22 points plus 15 points in Nifty just got 37 points in option buying. So anyways, the thing is that also, like, we shorted in the morning, this closed. So here put writing was done, and then we closed it here at 90, here 93.50. So we got there 15 points in option writing. And again we wrote options here, that is This was Nifty. Sorry, yeah. So again wrote options in here, that is 92. So yeah, somewhere I couldn't find out here 95. So anyways, the point is that yeah, so this one 23,900 PE shorted at 95 and closed it at 79, as you can see. And then again, like here, as you can see, that is Nifty was shorted at 74, so P was shorted at 74, and again we closed it at 62. So just in option writing, we are getting 43 points in Nifty. So 43 points in Nifty in option writing, and 37 points in Nifty option buying. So even like if you just buy 30,000 lots, so you get 37,000. Okay, and even if you sell sorry, not 1,000 lots, 1,000 quantity, and even if you sell 1,000 quantity, so you get 43k. So I didn't expect this much of option premium eating. And one trade was taken during the fall in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, when the fall was happening, so the big guys, the FIs were buying there, so we went with them. And during this whole move, the FIs were buying, and as you can see, like we whatever was the option premium of the calls were there, almost it reached here at this peak. So like the FIs were trying to take the exit in a good way. So yes, anyways, when this fall came, so went long. So yeah, as you can see here in Bank Nifty, here that is coming down here, that is in Bank Nifty, I said it should take support and go up, and the average price of buying in Bank Nifty was at 188. So first it went up, closed it at 180, and then again initiated at 160, and then again it went up. So as you can see here, that is closed at 180. Okay, and but the average price was at 188, and then 8 points was the loss. Then it gave a little bit of dip, and it came down to 160. So 159, and I think it was hovering around 157 to 159. Bought again at 159, and then it went above 200. So anyways, I closed it at 196. So getting a 37 points from here. So the thing is that 37 minus 8, so it's 29. So 29 points in Bank Nifty option buying, and yeah, and also in writing on the side. So in writing we got, as you can see, in writing we got 18.5 points eating in Bank Nifty. Okay, so here that is we shorted, and finally like yeah, 159, so 196, and then like I close it somewhere. Okay, you can go and read it here, that is I said everything on time. So here closed at 140. So that was the thing in Bank Nifty, and all the trades went were closed in green. And this is the same Telegram channel, guys. If you want such live I mean during the live market, if you want to catch the big guys, what they are doing and what their activities are, so where they are taking positions, at what average price they are taking the positions, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to this money flow indicators. And so as I've shown you that the money flow indicator is a leading indicator, and so you get access to this money flow indicators and a complimentary access to the Telegram channel, where I share my trades and the big guys positions, where they're taking and buying options, especially options. And once you know option buying positions of the big guys, so writing positions, like you just if you get direction in the writing position, it's well and good. Otherwise, even if the index sits at one place, also it's good for the writer. So option buy getting a option buying position is more helpful for the writers, because for the writers you get the move and you get a nice decay. So anyways, coming down to overall, so analysis, every analysis I posted, I think it helped you all. So the live analysis, your post analysis. So even during the last analysis, during the the video analysis, so I said that the FIA is like their long positions have now become one of the highest. Like they were having almost 80% long positions in the futures, and that doesn't sustain long, and market started reversing. And talking about here, that is the thing, that is yes, though on Friday if you see that at the end market fell, but throughout the day market was almost at the same level. Okay, so Bank Nifty gave a fall. I think Bank Nifty fall came because more fall came in Bank Nifty because I think it was Sensex expiry. So that's what I could think of the major reason. But Nifty, as you can see, it again closed above 24k. So anyways, coming down to the level. So talking about the levels, so I'm expecting some down move now. So 24,000 may not sustain, and if it goes down, so the next level would be at 23,850, and if that breaks this level, the next level here is not a very crucial support. So 23,687, but again it can act as support, but the major support is at 23,535. Okay, so talking about in Bank Nifty, if you come here, that is Bank Nifty, if it goes down, the next support is at 51,715, and then the next support is at 49,991. So which is almost as you can say 50k. Okay, so that's the major levels that can work in Bank Nifty. Okay, and yeah, so and also like another level arising here, as you can see, that is this level also can work out as the next level. So one of these levels can work out as the next level, 51,073 or 51,715. So yeah, these are the levels that are coming up. And talking about Fin Nifty, so Fin Nifty, if you look at here, that is the next major support comes at 23,000, and then 22,100. Okay, so yes, but you would say that that is a very huge fall. So let's find some intermediate support. So we can almost say that like this might not work, but let's put a intermediary support. So even in Fin Nifty also, the among these two levels, one of them can work out, and if it is falling further, then we can like expect something around 22,551. Okay, so these are the levels going forward, like going down forward. So anyways, I hope all my analysis are helping you. So I don't know why you guys are not putting any likes. Those who follow me on Twitter, so you should like the post, because that will encourage me to further post on Twitter. And if you want such live analysis like the members, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. So one more thing, like when you are going for the payment on the website, so you don't have to do any members login or something. Just make the payment. The link is given, and as soon as you make the payment, you will be added. Okay, so talking about option chain. So option chain, if you look at here, so major Fin Nifty. So let's start with Fin Nifty. So 24k, and then at 23,600 also the writers are present. 23,500 also writers are present. On the put side, you see that I mean, it's not looking great. Talking about, let's talk about Bank Nifty next. So Bank Nifty, if you look at here, 53,000 here, that is 53,000 is the major like resistance giving zone. 52,500 also, and on the put side also, like if you see on the right call side, like nice as you can see, nice OI build up 53k, but on the put side you see nowhere. So put side is again in Bank Nifty looking weak. Talking about Fin Nifty, let's go to Nifty. So Nifty, as you can see, 24,400 to 24,500, like 24,500 major OI levels have been built up, and 24,000 also writers are there. 24,000 put writers are also there, but I won't consider them now, because FIs and Propdex, they have both bought puts. So again, Nifty also put side looking weak, but again if everyone starts shorting on Monday, so again I mean, as usual, market will go up. So you can't do anything about it, so you have to catch these big guys during the live market hours. So let's come to, sorry, I closed the Excel. So yes, I hope like I have discussed everything except the EOD data. So talking about the EOD data, 1 second here. So 27. Okay, so let's come here. That is let's look at here. That is again FIs are making futures long positions. So it's one of the highest long positions in the futures. So be aware. And sorry, this is 28. This is 27. Sorry, this is 28. So yes, talking about here the last date. This is 28. So 28, as you can see that FIs are making again long positions. So it has gone to almost 4,40,000. So 4.5 lakhs. So it's again a huge long positions in the futures. Talking about here, that is Propdex, they have made short positions in the futures last day. Overall, if you look at here, these are the FIs who were taking long positions. So now they have a little bit of call buying positions, as you can see, but during the day they took heavy long positions while the fall came, and then market shot up, and it almost went to where the fall started. So that was the reason, because these FIs were buying and averaging out their positions there. So as we did, so talking about the FIIs, they have made long positions in the call buying and put buying as well. Talking about Propdex, they have made call writing and put buying on Friday. So talking about overall positions now for the FIIs are like put writing, as you can see, and call buying. So, and talking about Propdex are like their put writing and put buying are now almost the same quantity. So I would consider them as put buying and call writers. So option chain and futures for like even futures also, last analysis I discussed that overall like the Propdex, they have carried forwarded their future short positions and closed their future long positions during this monthly expiry. So again, Propdex overall they are bearish. FIIs in futures they are long. In options they are like option buyer, both put side and call side they have bought. So again, my final verdict would be sell on rise. And again, if you say that like what happened, so what happened during this last day or last Friday, okay? So if you see that here, look at the OI. So in the morning, long positions did build up, okay? And then after that, if you go and see that, yes, long positions were dominating and everything started building up from this, like still even at 11:30 also. So there are two learnings from here. One is that you can't go totally based on OI, why I will say, and also OI is also important, because I'll show you why. Because why you can't go totally based on OI, because look at here, that is just for example Nifty score started coming down, as I have posted it on Twitter as well, but look at the score. It started it was here heavily positive, and then it came down to negative, and again it went up, but you see by 11:20 or by 11:30 it came down to the neutral zone, so the score was decreasing. But still, if you look at here, the OI wasn't in a declining phase from let's say 11 a.m. to like let's say 11:30, as you can see, okay? So there was some other data which was telling that yes, like the big guys are doing they are covering covering their put writing positions, or they are making short positions, or they're put buying. So that's what like I am also saying that, being a the creator of this AI tool, so I also sometimes don't know what exactly is happening, because there are many variables that are associated. So which variable is doing what? So even if you go and try to check, so you will be confused, okay? Because why people get confused? Those who don't have any set, they have multiple setups, because many setups gives many direction, many sign. Some gives positive, some gives negative, but overall, if you want to know that what's happening, so you have to go for overall. Otherwise, human brain can't like together human brain can't make it and make the final analysis. Sometimes they can make, I agree, but overall, if you like want to get the overall picture what is happening, so that's why to it's best to like capture all these positive, negative, and finally like draw a conclusion from all of them, and that what our AI does here. So that's the point. And yes, now again talking about the money flow, that is, as you can see, last it went negative, and then it's ending in negative as well. So even the Bank Nifty money flow also ending in negative as well. So the thing is that even when I posted it here, that is on Bank Nifty score, so look at the time, and after that look at the fall. The Bank Nifty did fell, and so the score was heavily negative by 11:28. But if you look at here the OI, so by 11:28, okay, so there wasn't much change in the Y, but after that, like 12 as you can see, as we are gradually going to after the midday, then OI started building up on the put side. So indicator is not based on OI. So that's the huge learning that you can understand. And then again it went up, and again the FIs who went long, so they were dominating. And then finally at the end, where these guys were like just at the end of the 30 minutes, still, like if you look at here, still at 3 p.m. the big guys were sure that they are going to win, okay. But then after that, after 3 p.m. the overall scenario started changing, okay. And that's what we are seeing now. So everything happened during the last 30 minutes. Before that, like it was like a tug of war, and both the FIs and the Propdex, they made long and short positions, and they were eating premiums on both the sides, and these HFT guys were also buying. So overall, overall I think my analysis helped you. Also the post analysis, the few Bank Nifty 1 day bearish divergence, money flow analysis during the live market hours, so morning long, then short, I posted by 11:30. So I think I did my best to help you all. I don't know why you are not putting any likes. If my analysis are helping you, don't forget to put a like. And again, if you those who wants live analysis during the live market hours, you want to catch these HFT guys, you want the money flow indicator access, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.